Hey guys, welcome back. And in this session, we'll focus on COBOL Identification Division. So the COBOL Identification Division is the first and the least significant division of every COBOL program. It is used to identify the program to the computer, and it has no effect on the execution of the program, but it is mandatory to include identification division in your COBOL program. And remember, this division can be further divided into different paragraphs, not the sections, right? And the only mandatory paragraph of this division is program ID. So where you use to specify the program name. Other paragraphs are optional and you can very well skip that if you want. However, it is always recommended that you should include details in those paragraphs. So in nutshell, identification division is generally used for documentation purpose. Now let me quickly summarize the different paragraph of identification division followed by an example so that you can clearly understand what is the significance of each paragraph. So the first one is program ID and it is generally used to specify the name of the program, and the name of the program should be of 8 bytes, right? It can include character and digits as well. The next paragraph is author and it is used to specify the name of the programmer. After that you have installation. It refers to the name of a company or location. Next one is date written and it is used to specify the date on which the program was coded. Next one is date compile and again it is used to specify the date on which the program was compiled. And the last one is security and it indicates the level of confidentiality of the program. Now let me showcase a sample code that I've extracted from the COBOL program, and if you notice the identification division, I've specified the values for all the different paragraphs, right? And at the bottom you've noticed three different lines which is commented and that says project description. So this is a good practice and I normally use to write small description that precisely explain what the program is actually doing. And you should always follow this practice because if somebody else who has not written the program is looking into the program, so at least he can understand the significance or the functionality of COBOL program. So at least he can have some idea, okay, this is what this program is actually doing. So till now, if you have any question, then do let me know. Otherwise, let's move on to our next lecture.